Good day, Mom. Today I'll be demonstrating or performing the bag technique in nursing. So, what is the purpose of this bag technique? Bag technique is a tool which the nurses uses during his or her visit to the client to perform the nursing procedure easier with deafness, to save time and effort in performing or giving a proper care for the client. Upon arriving to the client's home, you need to prepare the plastic lining, which is on the back of the CHN bag. Put it in the flat surface. So make sure once you enter the home of the client, you have to look for a flat surface where you can put on your equipment. So the plastic lining and then the paper lining. After putting the lining, you can now put the CHN bag. After setting up or after putting the bag on the table, you have to ask the client if they have a basin or water to perform hand hygiene. So to perform that, you will need a hand towel and the soap. Now we will perform a hand hygiene. After washing your hands, you will now need to wear the apron. So the apron protects our uniform from all the bodily fluids that may be around us. After wearing the apron, of course, you will now perform the proper care for the patient. So you will need to take out the necessary materials for the nursing care needed. So let's assume that these are the needed materials for giving a nursing care to the patient. Okay, now let's assume that the nursing care has been already done. So you have to get the CHN bag, and then you have, before putting the equipment or the contents to the bag, you have to clean it first. Now after cleaning it, you will now, and putting all the contents that you use to provide the nursing care to the client, you have to put it on the bag. Now you have to remove the apron since we already performed the nursing care needed by the client. After putting it in, you have to close it. Now after putting back the apron, we will also be putting back the paper lining and the plastic lining. So now after providing nursing care to the client, of course, you have to record all your findings. Also, when you record the findings, you also have to talk with the client to double check the information. After recording all the findings, you will need to make an appointment for your next visit. Make sure to perform a hand hygiene. Now we will be finding out what are the contents of this CHN bag. So we have here, of course, the CHN bag itself. we have the paper lining. We also have here the plastic lining. We have a plastic bag for waste. We also have here an apron, of course. Thermometers for rectal and oral. 2 pair of scissors for bandage and surgical. We have 2 pair of forceps, this straight and curved forceps. We also have here disposable syringes. We also have hypodermic needles, sterile dressings, cotton balls. We have the cord lump, a microplaster, tape measure, 1 pair of sterile gloves, of course. The baby scale, it looks like this. Alcohol lump, test tubes here, and we have the test tube holder. Now for the different kind of solution, we have here the betadine solution, the alcohol, the Zephyrin solution, the hydrogen peroxide, the spirit of ammonia. We have the ophthalmic ointment and the Benedictine solution. Of course, we also have here the stethoscope and the BP apparatus. Take note that you have to carry separately those two, the stethoscope and the BP apparatus. Now that I've showed you all the contents of my CHN bag, I need to put it back, of course. That's the content of the CHN bag. Okay, so that's all for today, Mom. I showed you the bag technique and the purpose of it and what are the contents of the CHN bag. Thank you, and that in all things, God may be glorified.